Most people get this wrong when they download reward apps. They think they are about to earn quick cash just for playing games. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps do pay. But the real question is whether the time you spend is actually worth the reward. In this video, you will learn what the Playtime app is in 2026, how it works, how people earn from it, and whether it is actually worth your time or just another time trap. By the end, you will have a clear answer before you even install it. Let's start with how it works. Playtime is a rewards app that tracks the games you install and how long you play them. Based on your playtime, you earn points or credits that can later be exchanged for gift cards or cash depending on your region. But here's the problem most users notice early. The earning rate varies a lot depending on the games available. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app partners with game developers who pay for user engagement. That means your time inside the game is being monetized. So the longer you play, the more you potentially earn. But the system is not consistent, and not all games pay equally. So, is it worth your time? The honest answer is it depends on your expectations. Yes, Playtime is a legitimate rewards platform, and users do get paid in gift cards. But the earnings are usually small and slow to build. Let's make it real. Someone like Alex who casually plays games during breaks might accumulate a small amount over a few weeks. But someone like John expecting fast or daily income will likely feel disappointed because the payout is not designed for high earnings. This is where most people fail. They treat it like a job instead of a passive reward system. These apps are designed for monetizing attention, not replacing income. In a minute, here's the key detail most users miss. The highest earning opportunities often come from new game offers or limited promotions, not from long-term grinding of a single game. Now let's talk pros and cons. The good side is that it is free, easy to use, and does pay real rewards like gift cards. The downside is inconsistent earnings, limited control over game selection, and slow payout accumulation. So what is the final verdict? Playtime is legit, but it is not a reliable income source. It is better suited for casual users who already enjoy mobile gaming. To summarize, yes, it pays, but only in small amounts. It is worth your time if you are playing anyway. It is not worth it if you are installing it just to earn money. If you found this review helpful, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.